Your success is depends on the people you know. Try to build whose network. Best example for you people. There is one concept is there named with BNI. You know, right? BNI. Okay, BNI groups will be there. Every Friday meeting will be there. The business owners, they are going to join as a network. Every week, they will meet in some five-star hotels just for tiffin, breakfast sake. Just they are going to talk. So I'm so and so in the web design area. I am. If any person having web design area requirement, that person is going to give the reference to this. Okay, this person is the responsible to provide because every week they are going to meet, right? BNI network. How many people aware? There are n number of networking groups are available. Better to be part of those networks.
What
Next,
is BNS?
BNI business network, something like that. The business
Oh.
people are going to group as a network kind of thing. Okay, in Hyderabad, multiple chapters are there. In Vizag, like everywhere throughout India, it is there. The same way, do you know builders network, builders group. Okay, CEOs group, CEOs connect. Okay, like multiple such type of things are there. Be part of member and better to attend. So that what will happen is your growth by default. Because the right people, how the world is moving on, you will come to know. One right person, at least one right person, okay, will be there. He's going to guide you. He's going to give the opportunities. He's going to open the doors for multiple opportunities. Such type of thing is possible, dosto. So compulsory be part of such type of groups. Right whose are the shortcuts for your success. Are going to show wonderful opportunities for you people. Don't be isolated. Don't be, I will depend only on my hard work. I will depend only on my talent. Okay, everything I will figure out. Don't do that. Compulsory build people's network. That thing is the shortcut for your success. That thing accelerate your growth like anything, man. Wonderful thing. Okay, right people business. People's first. And then tasks next. People's first. If the people are there, then obviously n number of things by default you are going to get. Suppose best example, I have some idea is there. Assume that I have some idea. So on so business I require to do. This is my goal. What I did is I decided related to this area. If any other person is doing the business, let me meet those people. Like so I started meeting first person, second person, third person. After meeting 3 to 4 members, then I came to know that, array, I'm thinking at only 10% level. Still 90% scope is there in this project. Those people show the new opportunities related to this project. Really, I felt like anything, man. Array, I thought that this is the whole and soul. But what I'm thinking is only 10%. Only 10%. Remaining 90%, they are going to show the new opportunities. They are going to extend your vision. They are going to extend your goal. That's why always having whose network, right whose network, be the part of network or groups. That is the shortcut way for your success.